I haven't even halfway there, am I?
You're nearly there.
Should call the helicopter. It's not funny, come here, Mama, mhux bil-lejk, Madonna, can you stop it?
Hold the railing, just hold the railing.
No, you're not doing this easy.
Oh yes, my hand is...
This easy, eh? What about tonight, Mama? Oh, I'm halfway there, haven't I, right? I'm not really. Stella's just the worst bit. Oh, Mama, it's a minute, please.
You can do it, Kim. Mama's with you.
I'll go to there, push me, I won't talk to you again.
You think your mother's gonna push you down the stairs?
Actually.
Oh my god, that'd be ridiculous.
Yeah.
You can do it, Kim.
Damn! This is not fun.
Hey, you can do it.
You're fun, Mama.
You can do it. You feel better now?
I'm not doing that again.
Yes, tomorrow we're coming back. And now, let me have a look.
This is like a shoulder or something.
Oh, it's not far
Are
up.
you kidding? Are you joking me right now?
I can...
Have you seen how high that is?
How high is it?
No, look, clean water.
You can drink from it.
Are you kidding me or what? How cute. Probably drainage water.
Drainage pipe.
Oh my god, Albi. Oh, how pretty.
What's pretty?
The bridge.
Well done, Kim. I'm proud of you.
Not bad.